Hey everyone, Lorex Cloud app showing failed to connect. This guide covers network syncing, port forwarding, and device pairing fixes to restore remote access fast. Let's see, why does Lorex Cloud fail to connect? Outdated or corrupted app versions can cause errors, incorrect login credentials, or issues with the login process. The Lorex Cloud may be down and it take a few while to connect again. Poor internet connectivity or network issues, problem with account settings or data, technical glitches or bugs in the app or website. Moving to the fixes, fix 1, check Ethernet connection in camera and NVR. Ensure your Lorex NVR is properly connected to your router via an Ethernet cable. The Ethernet port on the NVR should have a solid green light indicating an active connection. Unplug and replug the Ethernet cable between NVR and the Ethernet port. Try changing the Ethernet cable and Ethernet port. Check the NVR application. Fix to reboot Lorex Cloud. Reboot your Lorex by pressing power button located at the front of the NVR and camera. Wait approximately 10 minutes and power on it. Now try attempting to reconnect the Lorex Cloud app and see if issue is resolved. Also, if you are not using static IP, the IP will be changed automatically. Hence, you need to reconfigure again with a new IP. Fix 3, Clear Cache on Lorex Cloud app. Sometimes the error message occurs due to corrupted data stored in temporary memory. Follow these steps to delete the temp files. On iOS, go to Settings, scroll down to Lorex Cloud app, tap Clear Cache or Clear Data to refresh the app. On Android, go to Settings, scroll down to Apps or Application Manager. Find Lorex Cloud app, tap Clear Cache or Clear Data to refresh the app. Fix for update Lorex Cloud app. Many users in forum reported that the issue resolved after updated the Lorex Cloud app. To update Lorex Cloud app, go to Play or Apple Store and search for an Lorex Cloud app. If update is available, you will see update button next to the app. If it is up to date, you will see a uninstall the app. Click on Update button, wait the process to complete and restart the phone. 6.5 Install and reinstall Lorex Cloud app. If nothing above method work, try uninstall and reinstall the app. To uninstall Lorex Cloud app, go to App or a Play Store and search for Lorex Cloud app. Click on Uninstall button, restart your device. To install Lorex Cloud app, go to App or a Play Store and search for Lorex Cloud app. Click on Install button, wait the process to complete, launch the app and sign in. Fix 6, upgrade NVR or DVR firmware. Firmware update might be needed for recorder. Make sure your recorder is completed to the network. Go to main menu, then settings, then systems, then go to upgrade. Click check for UPC updates. If an update is available, proceed with the upgrade. Enable automatically check for updates to receive future update automatically. Fix 7, reset the password. Use the temporary password sent to you when resetting the password. This temporary password is only valid until the end of the day. If you haven't received a temporary password, refer to Lorex's guide on how to reset your NVR or DVR's password. Changing your recorder's password through the Lorex app. Launch the Lorex app and log into your account. Tap on your recorder's thumbnail. Tap the device's settings icon at the top right. Tap device info, then go to device password, enter your current password in the old password field, then enter your new password. Tap save to update the password. Resetting your recorder's password locally. From the live view display, right click to open the quick menu, click menu, then go to account, then users. Under the admin username, click the edit icon, enable the options to modify password, enter your current password in the old password field, then enter your new password, confirm the new password and click OK to save. Fix 8. Factory reset Lorex Cloud NVR. After resetting the camera, you may need to connect it to your Lorex Cloud account and reconfigure any settings. This will restore the camera to its factory default state. Locate the reset button on your Lorex NVR network video recorder. For the W261AQ series, the reset button is located below the lens. Turn the lens all the way up to access it. For the W261AS series, the reset button is located at the back of the camera. For the W28 1AA or W28 2CA series, the reset button is located at the top of the camera. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds until you hear a chim sound. Make sure the camera is unplugged before resetting to avoid damaging the PTZ motor. Looking for a flashing green light below the lens indicating the camera has been fully reset. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.